If you want to use Grammarly on a laptop, there are actually two simple ways to do it, depending on where you want Grammarly to work. In this video, I'll show you both methods step by step so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, let's talk about the desktop version. This is the best option if you want Grammarly to work across different apps on your laptop, including things like Microsoft Word, Teams, Slack, and Discord. To get started, open your browser and go to grammarly.com/desktop. Once the page loads, download the installer for your laptop. After the file finishes downloading, open it and run the installer. Follow the setup prompts to install Grammarly on your device. Once it's installed, sign into your Grammarly account so it can connect to your profile and writing preferences. If you don't already have an account, you may need to create one first before continuing. Now here's where the desktop app becomes really useful. Open any app on your laptop, click into a text box, and start typing. As you type, the Grammarly widget will automatically appear, usually in the bottom right corner of your text area. This floating G widget checks your writing in real time and helps catch grammar mistakes, spelling issues, punctuation problems, and even style improvements as you work. So if you spend a lot of time writing inside desktop apps, this method gives you the most flexibility. It's a great way to get Grammarly suggestions without needing to stay inside your browser. Now let's move on to the second method, which is using Grammarly in your browser only. This is the better choice if you mostly write inside websites like Google Docs, Gmail, or YouTube Studio. To do this, open Google Chrome on your laptop and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Grammarly and find the official extension. Once you've found it, click Add to Chrome. Then confirm by selecting Add Extension when Chrome asks you to approve the installation. After that, a new tab or sign-in page should pop up, and you can sign in to your Grammarly account there. After the extension is installed, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Find Grammarly in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning it keeps the Grammarly logo visible on your toolbar so you can access it more easily whenever you need it. Now open any website where you type text, click into a text field, and start writing. Grammarly will begin showing real-time corrections and suggestions as you type. This is especially helpful if you're writing emails, blog posts, documents, or video descriptions directly in your browser. So to quickly recap, if you want Grammarly working across your laptop apps, use the desktop version. If you only want it up in your browser, install the Chrome extension. Both methods are easy, and both can help you write more clearly and confidently. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.